Well, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. Today's video, we're going to do paleo salmon cakes that are totally grain-free and dairy-free. For our ingredients, we've got avocado oil, made by Primal Kitchen. This mayo, it's with avocado oil that's paleo and keto friendly. We've got sea salt, fine ground almond flour, Old Bay seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, good old Dijon mustard. We've got an egg. We've got chopped up green onion. And the star ingredient, wild Alaska pink salmon that's been well drained. And we're gonna mix these two together in this bowl. Then we're gonna take the rest of the ingredients and put it in this bowl here. And then we're going to mix that up real good, add it together, knead it into beautiful cakes. We're gonna refrigerate them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Or you can do the refrigerator for about an hour, let them solidify and hold it their posture. And then we'll take them out, and we've got a cast iron skillet here, 10-inch cast iron skillet. You could do a 12-inch. Gonna heat it up to medium heat, but it's 1 tablespoon of avocado oil in there. We're gonna keep this thing totally on our healthy seafood menu. This is the series that we're doing on healthy seafood. So this is really a tasty dish, and I want to bring you guys in as we mix this up. So come on in. Okay, let's get started. We're going to put our salmon in here. There we go. Break it up. Soon, the season's here now. We're going to be going salmon fishing. Again, all the ingredients to the this mixture will be included in the links below for this whole recipe. Okay, let's just mix this up. This almond flour, first, in an effort to keep it healthy in lieu of breadcrumbs, which I normally would do. This is the binding agent with the egg, of course. Okay, we've got this mixed. Now, we'll put this aside and we'll get the rest of these ingredients. Go. Let's crack our egg. It's 1 large egg. We're gonna have to scoop all this stuff out. Dijon mustard. Just a dab of Worcestershire sauce. We've got our green onions. There we go. Old Bay. Just a pinch of salt. And like I say in all these cooking videos, guys, adjust it the way you want. You might want a little bit more seasoning. This is again to taste. Oh yeah, we got a good mixture going now. This is going to mix real well with the salmon. So we are ready to pour all this mixture in here. These little mini spatulas, these silicones, oh, they're the bomb. They get every little bit and minimize a lot of waste. Now I could do this by hand, and you have the option to do that too, but this is the perfect consistency. Look at this. You guys see this? Look on that. Oh yeah, these are gonna make great cakes. 1 egg is really all you need. Otherwise, you put too much in and you're forced to put more flour in. Before you know it, you got a big mess on your hands. Perfect. This is just right. Look at this, just right. All right, we're gonna make 4 salmon cakes. Well, it's really easy to do them by hand, to be honest with you. I'm gonna roll them like I would do a meatball, a large meatball, and then we'll press it out. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go, looks good to me. Oh, I can just imagine how good these are gonna taste. When they're mixed well, you don't have a lot of residue left in your hands. Look at this. It's beautiful. So this is holding together good. That's what I call a good old hamburger size. All right. These we're going to take in the refrigerator right now. We're going to cool them down. Let's give it an hour in the refrigerator or 15 minutes in the freezer. I'll see where I have the most room. And then we'll come back and we'll heat up the cast iron skillet to medium high. A little bit of that avocado oil. And see, avocado, you can get it up to the oil 500 degrees to the smoke point. It's unbelievable. And the oil does not break down. So it's a very healthy choice for higher heat cooking. Okay guys, we're ready now to get this heated up. Got a medium flame on here. We'll let it get hot and then we're gonna put our avocado oil in there, just enough to baste the pan. We have all our salmon patties that have been cooled down and solidifying. So we'll leave them right there and we'll be ready to pop them on the grill here in just a minute. Yep. She gets hot real quick. We'll lower this down just a little bit. This cast iron cooks beautiful. It heats beautiful. All right. I believe these eyes are ready to go in. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'm going to let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side till they get golden brown. So I'm looking forward to a real good meal. And these are going to be good. We're going to have these with tartar sauce on the side so we can just either dip them in or we'll coat it like we do ketchup on our hamburgers. So we'll give this, like I said, about 3 minutes, 4 minutes on each side. Flip them, and I think we're gonna have ourselves a delicious, tasty treat. Okay, we are ready. They have been flipped. We're gonna try it right now. Well, the moment of truth has arrived. Look how delicious these look. Isn't this delicious? Can't wait to dig in. Oh, these are real tasty. I can make a meal out of this. Easy paleo salmon cakes. Dairy-free, and grain-free. On a cast iron skillet makes all the difference. You get a nice char on it. Very, very nice. So why don't you try this? I think you guys will like this. Should be a good dish and a nice appetizer as well. Easy to do. Prep time didn't take but 10-15 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes on the stove after they've been refrigerated, and we got ourselves a hit here. This is real good. So I advise you guys to try this, and I think you'll like it. And again, as I said before, all the ingredients to this recipe will be listed in the links below. Guys, thanks so much for tuning into Fish Hook. We have a ton more coming in this series of healthy seafood. I hope you guys are enjoying it. It's exciting. I love doing this, and I want to welcome you back next week in our kitchen. We've got another great menu coming. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag yet. For all you new guys that have just tuned in or perusing on YouTube, stay on the channel, subscribe, hit that, just smash that subscribe button. We really want you to be part of our family. We're growing. It's been a good ride so far, 7 months in this. We've got almost 1,200 subscribers. So it's been going great. So guys, have a great week, and we'll see you again on the following one. Thanks.